Welcome to my channel. Test your English grammar, fill in the blanks quiz. In each question, fill in the blank with the correct word or phrase. Choose or you can write in comment section the correct answer from the options provided. Let's start.
The cat dash on the mat. A. Sleeps. B. Sleep. C. Sleeping. Correct answer, A. Sleep. I dashed my homework yesterday. A. Do. B. Did. C. Does. Correct answer, B. Did. She dashed to the beach every summer. A. Go. B. Goes. C. Going. Correct answer, B. Goes. We dash a movie last night. A. Watch. B. Watched. C. Watching. Correct answer, B. Watched. He dash in the garden every morning. A. Works. B. Work. C. Working. Correct answer, A. Works. She dash a book when I saw her. A. Read. B. Reads. C. Reading. Correct answer, A. Read. They dashed to the party last weekend. A. Go. B. Goes. C. Went. Correct answer, C. Went. He dashed his car keys this morning. A. Lose. B. Lost. C. Loses. Correct answer, B. Lost. We dash to the zoo tomorrow. A. Go. B. Goes. C. Are going. Correct answer, C. Are going. I dashed my friend at the park yesterday. A. Meet. B. Met. C. Meets. Correct answer, B. Met. The birds dash early in the morning. A. Sing. B. Sings. C. Singing. Correct answer, A. Sing. She dash her dog to the vet every month. A. Takes. B. Take. C. Taking. Correct answer, A. Takes. We dashed the football match last Saturday. A. Watch. B. Watched. C. Watching. Correct answer, B. Watched. He dash his homework every day after school. A. Do. B. Does. C. Doing. Correct answer, B. Does. The flowers dash beautiful in the garden. A. Looks. B. Look. C. Looking. Correct answer, B. Look. I dash a new phone last week. A. Buy. B. Buys. C. Bought. Correct answer, C. Bought. They dash their lunch break. A. Have. B. Has. C. Having. Correct answer, A. Have. She dash her grandmother on weekends. A. Visit. B. Visits. C. Visiting. Correct answer, B. Visits. We dash to the beach next month. A. Go. B. Goes. C. Are going. Correct answer, C. Are going.
Thank you for watching. We appreciate your support and hope you enjoyed our content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Stay tuned for exciting updates and new uploads. Have a fantastic day.